Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Abdul Aziz and I'm gonna do some experiments on air pressure. This experiment will be a very simple experiment. As you can see, we have a water bottle, but I did put food coloring just to make sure that you can see the water. Okay, and I have a very simple push pin and a plane, just to make sure the water will comes out into that plane. So what we want to what we want to be sure about is that air has pressure. Air is pushing down on us every inch of our skin. Air is pushing down, but we can't see. It's hard for us to see. So I'm gonna do everything I can to show you that air pressure. So what I'm gonna do is, first step is I'm gonna just use this pin and create a hole into this bottle. I'm gonna push this pin and create a hole. As you can see, I just create a hole. So the first thing that you're gonna think about is that water, when I pull it out, you will think that water will comes out. So let's see what happened. I'm gonna just pull it out. So as you can see, nothing comes out. But let's apply pressure in the bottle. We will do apply in the bottle. As you can see, I'm gonna just apply it. As you can see, so the water, as you can see, is coming out from that hole. When I stop, water stops right away. So the question is why? Well, the answer has to do with this cap. This cap is keeping all that air from getting in and pushing down on that liquid. So when I take off this cap, air gonna get in, down, and push into that liquid. So it will push that water and forcing it of coming out of that hole. So let's try and take off this cap. I'm gonna take off this cap. As you can see, water is coming out. I just take off this cap and the water is coming out. I'm not doing a blood pressure or something. So I'm gonna now recap it. I'm gonna stop it. As you can see, it stops right away. So air is all that air pressure in this room is pushing on that hole. All that pressure air in this room is pushing this hole and preventing this water from coming out, as you can see. So that's all for our experience. Thank you for watching air pressure.
Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. My name is Affan Muhammad, back with another experiment on air pressure. This experiment actually is so simply. That is the beauty of it. Now I have actually here the bottle of Joyous. I choose this bottle because the plastic is thicker, and I have the bin Bosch, and I have balloon here. Now what should I do to start our experiment? Actually, I have to prepare this bottle to start. I have to create hole here by this nail or bin Bosch, doesn't matter. Okay, and now second step, I have to insert the balloon inside the bottle and stretch it on the top. Okay, let's insert it. What happened here? Okay, insert. Okay, stretch it in the top. Okay, now what should I do? See on the hole. How can I blow the bat? How can I do the? How can I do the balloon below up? Okay, if I put my fingers here, see, nothing happened because I have here, I have in this room, the air inside this room is greater than inside this bottle. Okay, actually, why, when I put my fingers here, the balloon cannot blow up because the pressure inside this bottle is pressure side. Now, how can I blow the balloon up? Actually, I can do the balloon up by removing the air from inside this bottle. How can I remove? I can remove by sucking the air from inside and inhaling. Okay, let's start here. I will put my mouth. I will put my mouth now over this hole, and I will sucking and inhaling the air from inside. See, this enough for our experiment. Say what? The balloon already below up because the air pressure already okay, now it is equal the air pressure. Okay, now it's look strange and odd, but it doesn't matter. Okay, now because the air pressure the air already removing from inside this bottle, this this load to below the balloon up. Okay, now I will remove my fingers from this hole which is in the bottom of this bottle. See, now the air is reach in. Was our simply experiment about the air pressure. The science is cool. Thank you for watching.